Tracking hours shouldn't be stressful. The right free time clock app keeps your team accountable, prevents payroll mistakes, and makes compliance simple. Here are the top 3 worth checking out. First is Connecteam, an all-in-one app built for businesses with deskless and frontline teams. Clocking in takes 1 tap, and GPS tracking ensures it happens on site. You can even set geofences so employees can only clock in from approved locations. Need job-specific tracking? You'll see exactly how much time went into each client or project, making payroll and billing easy. Scheduling is just as smooth with drag-and-drop shifts, reusable templates, and automatic conflict alerts. All hours flow into digital timesheets that connect directly to QuickBooks, Gusto, ADP, and more. That means payroll runs faster with fewer errors. In the free plan, it's one of the best out there, covering up to 10 employees with full access to time tracking, scheduling, chat, and training tools. Get started with Connecteam for free using the link below. Second is QuickBooks Time, great for accurate GPS tracking and payroll integration. Employees clock in from the Workforce app, track hours against jobs, and managers get a live view of who's working. It's not free forever, but the 30-day trial gives you a solid test drive. In third place is On the Clock. It's simple with GPS tracking, PTO management, and even biometric clock-ins for extra security. Automated timesheets make payroll easier, and the free plan covers up to 2 employees, so it's best for very small teams. Well, that's our top 3 free time clock apps. Which one fits your team best? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more no-fluff reviews, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one.